Anna emerges from the airport terminal, her eyes wide with curiosity. She scans the bustling surroundings, absorbing the unfamiliar sights and sounds of Berlin. The airport buzzes with a flurry of activity as travelers rush past. Anna stands amidst the airport's chaos, a shadow of confusion clouding her face. The weight of countless journeys is etched into her travel bag. Where is the train station? Anna's voice is almost lost in the multilingual clamor. Her eyes dart around, searching for a guiding sign. Desperation mounts as she seeks a familiar symbol. Anna's eyes light up as she spots a sign. Bahnhof. A tender smile graces her face as she recalls a familiar word. Bahnhof means train station in German. Following the sign, Anna moves forward with newfound confidence. Anna hesitantly approaches a woman, the weight of her hopes evident in her cautious steps. Summoning her courage, Anna speaks, carefully choosing her words. Entschuldigung, wo ist der Bahnhof? Anna looks around, relief washing over her as she prepares to navigate the bustling Berlin airport. Bolstered by newfound confidence, Anna steels herself, ready to face the challenges ahead. A woman's voice cuts through the noise. Gerados und dann links. Anna nods, her voice ringing with gratitude. Danke. Anna arrives at the train station platform, her face filled with a sense of accomplishment. She takes a deep breath, ready to start her new adventure in Berlin.
Anna arrives at the Grand Hotel, a sense of anticipation in her every step. Anna steps into the bright, modern hotel lobby. She walks toward the reception desk. Anna arrives at the reception desk. Anna waits at the reception desk. The hotel lobby teems with life as travelers arrive and depart, their luggage trailing behind. Amidst the bustle, Anna greets guests with a warm smile at the reception desk. Anna initiates the greeting with a polite inquiry. Hallo, ich habe eine Reservierung. The hotel lobby glows with light as a receptionist greets guests with a warm smile. She asks, Wie ist Ihr Name? What is your name? Sunlight floods the bustling hotel lobby. Luggage wheels echo on the marble floor. A woman approaches the reception desk, her voice clear and steady. Anna Lopez. At the hotel lobby, the receptionist offers Anna her key card, a silent exchange under the bright lights. Anna walks down the bustling city street, absorbing the vibrant symphony of urban life. The cacophony of honking cars and chattering voices creates a lively backdrop under the bright sun. Amidst the urban chaos, Anna pauses, a cafe capturing her attention. Anna walks towards the bustling outdoor seating of a cafe, where life unfolds in animated conversation and shared moments. Scanning the lively scene, Anna spots an empty table, a quiet refuge amid the social buzz. She sits at the empty table, settling into the calm, ready to observe or be a part of the day's unfolding stories. A waiter approaches Anna's table, his attentiveness evident. He pauses, ready to take her order with a friendly demeanor. Anna responds with a warm smile, acknowledging his presence. Anna sits alone at a table, waiting. A waiter approaches. Anna requests, Ich hätte gern einen Kaffee, bitte. The waiter confirms her order in German. The waiter approaches, carrying a steaming cup of coffee. He sets the coffee in front of Anna with a practiced motion. Anna tastes the coffee, a flicker of contentment in her eyes. She asks softly, Wie viel kostet das? Anna and the waiter face each other in the bustling cafe. The waiter extends his hand, a silent request hanging in the air. The waiter breaks the silence with a simple demand. €3. Anna settles the bill with the waiter, handing over €3. Anna stands up, ready to leave the cafe. She smiles warmly at the waiter, a gesture of sincere gratitude. "Choose," Anna calls out, her voice filled with cheer as she departs. Anna walks away from the cafe, disappearing into the vibrant chaos of the city street. I amble along the bustling city street, an explorer in a concrete jungle. Anna approaches the bustling supermarket, a mix of anticipation and apprehension in her eyes. The air vibrates with the sounds of traffic and snippets of conversation. She pauses, gathering her courage, then steps into the bright, chaotic world of commerce. Anna steps into the supermarket, a dazzling array of colors and products unfolding before her. Shoppers roam through the aisles, the sounds of rattling carts and distant conversations filling the air. Lost in the maze of options, Anna scans the signs, seeking the bread and cheese section. The supermarket air vibrates with a symphony of sounds, announcements, conversations, and the rhythmic beeping of scanners. Anna enters the bread and cheese aisle of the supermarket, searching for something specific. She approaches a supermarket employee who is stocking shelves. Anna asks the employee, "Wo finde ich Brot und Käse?" The employee gestures emphatically, directing Anna through the supermarket's aisles. "Brot ist vorne rechts. Käse ist hinten beim Kühlregal," the employee states. Anna nods, absorbing the employee's directions. Anna arrives at the bread section, the aroma of fresh baking filling the air. She carefully examines the various breads, her expression thoughtful. Choosing one, she places it gently into her basket. Anna strides purposefully toward the refrigerated section at the supermarket's rear. Lost in a world of cheese, Anna's eyes dart across the colorful array, contemplating each choice with a discerning eye. A decision made, Anna adds her selected cheese to the basket. Anna waits at the checkout, anticipation subtly etched on her face. The mundane ritual unfolds as Anna carefully places her bread and cheese on the conveyor belt. The cashier scans Anna's items, each beep marking the passage of time. Under the stark, fluorescent lights of the supermarket, Anna waits calmly. The cashier asks, "Möchten Sie eine Tüte?" Anna replies, "Ja, bitte." The cashier completes the scan, the total now tallied. The cashier states the amount due. Das macht 7,25 €. The cashier repeats, "That will be 7.25 euros."